Hello, hey, it's Vincent and Olivia. Okay, so we actually did a video a couple of weeks ago now where it was it was a competition, and I told Olivia, I said, your papa here is probably one of the best doers in the entire, on this entire She didn't agree. You know why? Because what did you say?
I said I can do it better than you.
Yeah, she challenged me. I'm her father. I'm your father.
Yeah, and I'm my daughter, and I'm your daughter.
Oh, that's true. But that's why I'm your father, you know.
Yeah, and I'm your daughter.
So I said, all right. Well, how about this? How about you put your mouth where your money is, or your money where your mouth is? You remember? You didn't really understand that statement. It's an old statement.
And I also said, what does that even mean?
Yeah.
And he said, I don't know.
Just an old statement. Yeah. So I said, okay, all right, let's record it. And let's let the people decide. So now, first of all, you can click the link below and you can see the link below, and you can see or you can actually hear the competition. And, honestly, I know who won myself, you know what. But it's fine. You can vote too. But the reason we're doing this video is because we wanted to announce the winner. So the winner is me. How is it you?
Well, I got 20 something likes and you got 0.
I did.
Not even you even voted for me.
I did.
In your head.
I did. You literally.
And now whenever I say it, he'll start punching himself.
Yeah, because I was up. Because I told her, I said, I think I even voted for you. I said, but don't tell me because I'll get mad. And then she does it anyway. And so then I start getting mad at myself and punching me. No, seriously though, I did not get one vote. It was a landslide. Even my mama, y'all, she voted for her. Okay, here's what I'll say. You know what? I'm want to say I'm a gracious loser. I am. It was good. It was really good. But it was cold that day, and I wasn't ready. And I just my it wasn't really fully prepared.
It was one of the first of August.
It was cold that morning. It was a cold August morning.
It was not cold. Mm-hmm, it's the 1st of August. How is it cold?
I don't know. But the point is the people have spoken. Olivia is the want champion. So go ahead, give it to him. Go ahead, do it. Want.
Okay, so.
So here's what I will say. I will concede defeat, and I will say, Olivia, congratulations. But you did get it from your father.
Papino, do the want my way.
Okay, I'm gonna do it Olivia's way. See, I'm telling you, I did. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. You know what? You still have an opportunity. If you go down there, you click on the link and you listen, and you still have an opportunity to vote. I still think I think it was rigged. I really do. But thank you so much for joining me, Vincent.
And Olivia.
You guys have a great one.
Goodbye.